Okay, so I think we are streaming live. Sonal, all yours. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Ashish. Okay, hello people. Trust you are doing well. Good afternoon, good morning. So far, in past 2 months, nobody said good evening. So I'm sure that it's either good afternoon or it's uh, it's what? It's morning. Morning for some people. Yeah. Okay. All right. So do you have any idea what are we gonna do today? Salam alaikum. Walaikum salam. Good morning from Michelle. Hey, Michelle, good morning. Jennifer, good morning. Calendar. So we are supposed to finish calendar part, right? Remaining part of calendar. All right. And clocks we have finished, right? There was nothing remaining in clocks. It was all over. Only calendar, and that too only one type of question. After calendar, like I told you, there was a question on installments, right? So I'll share the formula with you people for that installment. And then there is one more question which somebody had shared, and I don't mind sharing that with you people. So we'll do that. And then if Dipesh there, hey Lakshmi, long time. Is Dipesh there? Dipesh Shah? Are you there, Dipesh? Doesn't, oh, he's there. All right. So Dipesh had a doubt in some questions related to equations. So that also I'll clear. So today it's all about the pending thing. All right. Hey, Nelius. So we will just complete those things. And then from Monday, we will talk about it, like which topic, what topic you want to do. So the idea is that 3 days in a week would be quantitative and logical, and 2 days will be your verbal class. All right. So let's start then. I'm doing well, Tasnia. Trust you are doing well too. Here in India, the situation is bad. I hope you people might be, I don't hope this, but the people might be tuning into news and got to know about the situation in India. So, so far so good. Hi, Emmanuel. All right, so clocks and calendars. First of all, before I share the screen, how many of you were not there in clocks, calendars part? How many of you were not there in the previous class? Not there. Type not so that I will get it. Not there. Okay, not there. Fine. No. 1, 2, 3. You were there. Alankar Sunsari. I wasn't there, but went through video. Okay. Oh, nice. You people do watch recorded videos. Awesome. All right. Then fine. So do you want me to take a quick recap on calendars quickly before we move to any question? Yeah. What we will solve that today. We will solve that. Okay. All right. So let's see that. So this was all about, I haven't shared the PDF, I guess. I was thinking that once we will finish it off, then I'll share. Or I did. Actually, I did. And then people were saying this is not a part of IND-SAT exam. So yeah. So fine. Hello, Gracious. Yeah, I remember just now. So this was all about clocks. You can go through the video. So calendars, I'll quickly revise. Calendars, the questions could be like today is Wednesday, after 10 days will be what day, or what day was on 25th of December 2008. This we will solve today. Another type of question is today is Wednesday, after 43 days will be what day. So whenever they are asking after this many days what day it would be, we just have to divide it by 7. Divide it by 7 and focus on remainder. We need to take remainder. All right. So after 8 days, it will be Wednesday again. Today is Wednesday. After 10 days will be what day? I'm good, Afrin. Thank you. I trust you are doing well too. Coming back to the topic. So today is Wednesday. After 10 days will be what day? After 8 days will be Wednesday again. Or like you do one thing, 10 divided by 7, you will get remainder 3. So from Wednesday, count 3. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So after 10 days, it will be Saturday, right? Does anyone has any doubt so far? So after 43 days will be what day? 43 divided by 7, your remainder is 1. Count 1 from Wednesday. So it will be Thursday. So if the question is, where is my pen? Okay, if the question is, today is what? What is today? How to remember how many days in month? You know that. How many days in a month? Didn't I? Why you want to remember that? I think you know that. So if today is Saturday, not if, today is Saturday, after 103 days will be what day? What would be your answer? What would be your answer? Infrastructure Development Office Prabhat. That's your name. Awesome. Thursday. Is it Thursday? Oh, everyone is getting same answer. So what we will do? We will divide 103 by 7. 103 by 7. What's your remainder? 6 is the remainder. 730. Oh, it's 33. Sorry. 7, 4, 28. 5 is the remainder. All right. So we need to count 5. Yeah, 5. So Sunday will be 1. 1 will be Sunday. 2 will be Monday. 3 will be Tuesday. 4 will be Wednesday. And 5 will be Thursday. So yeah, Thursday is your answer. Absolutely right. So I think in IND SAT exam, if any question comes by any chance, it would be this, most likely. But anyway, so now the next one is how to calculate leap years. So from 1 to 5, we need to see how many multiples of 4 are there. That many numbers of leap years will be there. So 1 to 5, there is only one multiple of 4. One multiple of 4, that is 4. So only one leap year. From 1 to 10 year, two multiple of 4s are there. That is 4 and 8. All right. So 1 to 20, there are how many multiples of 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be 5. 1 to 45, there will be 11. So think about this number before 45, which number is perfectly divisible by 4. That many leap years will be there. 1 to 90. Before 90, which year was perfectly divisible? 88. So the number of leap years would be 22, not 88. The number of leap years will be 22. All right. 1 to 100 years was exception, right? You remember this? So we will come to this. Now, coming to this part, how 22. So 1 to 90. 1 to 90 RK. Before 90, which number was perfectly divisible by 4? 88. So 88 divided by 4. 422 is 88. Hence 22 years, right? RK. Got it, right? People, those who are not there, Emmanuel, and who else were not there? I'm coming to that question. Wait, hold on, Vinay, hold on. Who are not there other day? I hope it's getting clear to them. Emmanuel and who else? Sushmita, Mercy, Nelius. All right. So yeah, Michelle. All right. So now 1 to 100. Ideally, it should be 25, but why it is 24? That we will see after a while. So what happens is that, where did it go? Yeah, Earth complete one revolution. Earth complete one revolution around the sun in 365 days, 6 hours. When the 6 hour, 6 hour, 6 hour gets extra, gets added in 4 years, it gives you 1 day extra. That's why you are getting 366 as leap year, or like you are getting, in leap year, you are getting 1 extra day. I repeat, 365 days, 6 hours. 6 hour, 6 hour, 6 hour gets added in 4 years, it gives you 1 day extra. That's why you are getting, in leap year, you are getting 1 extra day. Or like you are getting, in leap year, you are getting 1 extra day. In ordinary year, you have 365 days. In leap year, you have 366 days. Why it is 366 days? Because the Earth complete revolution around Sun is 365 days, 6 hours. So when the 666 hours gets added up, in 4 years, it will make 24 hours. That is 1 day extra. All right. Right. So in ordinary year, we need to calculate how many extra days, that is odd days. Sorry, 1 minute. I'll take a pause here. Is this part clear? 365 days, 6 hours, and that's why you are getting 366 days in leap year. Is that clear? Whatever I have written inside, I'll come to that. Just a minute. Wait for a while. All right. Now, ordinary year has 365 days. Now we need to see how many days are not fitting into weeks. So whenever I divide by 7, whatever is the remainder, gracious, not clear. Uh, Raj, simple thing. How many days are there in a year? 365 days. But actually, Earth complete one revolution around 365 days, 6 hours. Ignore this part as of now. 5 hours, 57 minutes. Ignore it as of now. All right. As of now, focus on this. So 365 days, 6 hours. When you see the 6 hours in 4 years, it will make 24 hours. And this 24 hours is giving you one extra day. That's why once in every 4 year, you have leap year. That is 366 days in a year. Is that clear, Raj and Gracious? Fair enough. Good. Now, what I will do, I will divide 365 by 7. Now, when I'm dividing 365 by 7, I'm getting 1 as the remainder. It means that this 1 day is not fitting in the week. That's why I'll call it as odd day. This is odd day. Same way, when you look at this 1 minute. When you look at what? When you look at leap year, there are 2 days which are not fitting in the week. 366 divided by 7, you will get 52 weeks and 2 extra days. So in leap year, you have 2 odd days. Basically, odd days are those days which are not fitting in the week. All right. So hence, if you go further, we see this ordinary year has 1 odd day and leap year has 2 odd days. So ordinary year has 1 odd day and leap year has 2 odd days. Now, how many odd days will be from 1 to 10 years? So basically, how we calculate that? 1 to 10 year, how many odd days will be there? How many days are not fitting in the week? So how to calculate that? Take 10 as it is and add number of leap years. How many will be number of leap years? 2. From 1 to 10, 2. So 10 plus 2, 12. And now then divided by 7. 12 divided by 7, your remainder is 5. So in 10 years, you have 5 odd days. All right. Similarly, in 50 years, 1 to 50 years, 1 to 40 years. In 40 years, how many odd days? So we will write this number as it is. In 40 years, we'll write this number as it is because every year for sure will have 1 extra day, but leap year has 1 more extra day. So that's why from 1 to 40, you have 10 leap years. So I added 10. So 40 plus 10, 50. 50 divided by 7, your remainder is 1. So 1 odd day. All right. Like 1 to 57, we'll write 57 as it is. Now 57, before 57, which number was perfectly divisible by 4? It was 56. And 56 divided by 4, I will get 14 leap years. So 57 plus 14, 71 by 7, you will get 1 odd day again. So in 57 years, you have 1 odd day. Now you answer one more question. I'll ask you one more question. That was by mistake, Binay, maybe. Okay, let's solve one more question. 1 to 73, number of odd days. This is very important, people. Number of odd days in 73 years. Let's write this way. In 73 years, how many odd days? Can you tell me now? Can you tell me the answer? 73 plus 18, no, Binay. 18. 18 for 72, correct. That's correct. Yeah, that's right, Binay. Sorry. So what should I write? Okay, Emmanuel, try to understand this. 73 years. Okay, in 73 years, how many odd days? It means that we need to find out how many days are not fitting in the week. So 73 years, we will write 73 as it is. Now, Emmanuel, tell me, from in 73 years, how many leap years will be there? In 73 years, how many leap years will be there? No, RK, you are mistaking there. 72 by 4, there you don't have to take remainder because you are calculating number of leap years. So that's why I'm not saying divide by 4 and focus on remainder. All right, we just have to focus on remainder when we are dividing by 7. RK, did you get my point? Yes, Sushmita, that's correct. Okay, Emmanuel, that's my question to you. Yeah, you got it. So in 73 years, we need to calculate how many leap years will be there. So before 73, 72 was a number which was divisible by 4. So now I have to see 72 like 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. It will be like 18. 4 into 18 is 72. So there will be 18 leap years. Understood, Emmanuel? So what I will do, I will add this 18. Why I'm adding this 18 is because every year, whether it's an ordinary year or leap year, one day you will get for sure extra, which will not fit in the week. But leap year will give you one more day extra, like we have seen in the previous slide. Ordinary year is giving you one odd day and leap year is giving you 2 odd days. All right, so that's where ordinary year, whatever the year it is, we will take 1 and we will add that many number of leap years. Is that clear, Emmanuel, now? Awesome, gracious. All right, so now 73 plus 18. 73 plus 18 is how much? 8 plus 3, 11. I'll write it here. 73 plus 18 is equal to 91. 91. 8, 3, 11, and this is 91. Now what we need to do, we need to divide this by 7. So 91 divided by 7, 7, 13, 91, your remainder is 0. Yes, which means that in 73 years, it is 0 odd days. 0 odd days, no days extra, everything got fixed into the week. Did you understand so far? Everyone? Awesome, Nilius. Clear to everyone? Right? Okay. Now I'm moving to the last part and then we will see how to find out the day of any date. So similar logic if I use for 1 to 100, if I use same logic for 1 to 100, how many leap years? I'll take 100 plus 25, right? Because 100 is a number which is divisible by 4. So that's why I take 25. But actually, this is not the right one. Why? Now I'll come to my another explanation. I'll use different color pen so that you don't get confused. So actually, it is not 365 days, 6 hours. Keep your ears open. keep your focus open, pay your all attention here on whichever party you are or whichever trip you are, come back here. All right. Correct, Sushmita. So why we are taking 24 is 365 days, 6 hours. This 6 hours is approximately. Actual timing is 365 days, 5 hours, 57 minutes, 23 seconds. So every year you are losing 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Every minute you are losing this many seconds. All right. So when you add this minutes and seconds, in 100 years, it will become 6 hours. Is that clear to everyone? You just have to understand this. It is not 6 hours, it is 5 hours, 57 minutes something. So we are losing some part every year. When this part gets added up, in 100 years, it will become 6 hours. That's it. That's what you need to understand. So, and whenever you have 6 hours extra, that is not a leap year. I repeat, whenever you have 6 hours extra, that's not a leap year. Like I have written here, 100th year has extra 6 hours, hence not a leap year. 200th year has 12 hours extra. 300th year has 18 hours extra. 400th year will have 24 hours extra. 1 day extra, which means that it's a leap century. Century, you know, that's in hundreds. Century is 100. Okay. So that's why we don't take 25, we take 24. From 1 to 100, we count 96 leap years. We don't count 100th year as a leap year. 100th year is not a leap year. All right. Is that clear? Fine. I'm just coming to the question now quickly. So when you similarly solve this now, ordinary year will have 1 odd day, leap year will have 2 odd days, 100 year. Now how to calculate for 100? 100 plus 24. Why 24? Because I'm counting till 96. So 96 divided by 4, it is 24. 24 leap years will be there. 124. I have done calculation here. So 124 divided by 7, 717, 54, 7, 749. So your remainder is 1. So sorry, your remainder is 5. So hence in 100 years, you are getting 5 odd days. In 200 years, you will get double, that is 10 odd days. But 10 divided by 7, out of 10, we can take 7 days and make a week. So when we make a week, 3 days are remaining, hence 3 odd days. 300 here, 100 as 5, so 300 will have 15. Out of 15 days, I can take 2 weeks. 7 days, 1 week, another 7 days, 1 more week. Hence the remainder is 1. That's why 1 odd day. And 400 here, 20 odd days, 100 as 5, so 400 will have 20. Plus 1 day extra because of the 24 hours extra in leap century. That's why you will get 21, and 21 divided by 7, it is 0 odd days. Fine, people? Got it so far? Yes? All right. Whoever have joined today, I hope it's clear now. Gracious, yeah. Okay. Michelle, Emmanuel, I'm waiting for your reply. If you reply, that would be great. I'll get some confirmation that, yeah, you are also understanding. Neha, Kumbuso, Funwell. Okay, awesome, Funwell. Yours, awesome. Funwell looks like yours is first class. I've never read your name ever here earlier. Okay, so this is done. Now, quickly, can you tell me? I'll write it on this. So, ordinary year, let me use different color pen. This is just a revision so that it fits in your mind so well. When we solve the question, it would be so simple for us to solve. Ordinary year will have how many odd days? Ordinary year will have how many odd days? 1. Leap year will have how many odd days? Leap year will have 2 odd days. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Awesome. 100-year will have how many odd days? 5. How we got that? 100 plus 24. 24 was the number of leap years. And then we divided 124 by 7. And you will get it what? 7. Ayo, 717, 54, 749. 5 is the remainder. Fine. So 100-year has 5 odd days for sure. Now I'm not solving. Now you tell me 200 years will have finally 3 odd days, right? 5 into 2, 10. 10 divided by 7, 3. 300 years will have how many odd days? 1 odd day. Awesome. And 400 years will have how many odd days? 0 odd days. Done, done. So far. Good. All right. There is one more thing which I discussed. I'll come to this slide little later. So this was done. Last time I wrote there. And any month can have 28 days, 29 days, 30 days, or 31 days. Now, do you know May month has how many days? Binay. May month has how many days? Looks like his network gone gadwad. That's correct, Acham Rehan. I don't know why you're saying sorry. So, you know, right? Each month has how many days? So if any month, I'll tell you Kumar Sandeep, why Binay only? Because he was the one who asked me similar question. That's why I was asking him the same question, okay? All right, don't take it personal, people. Come on. You all are equal for me and I am equal for you. I am one only. Okay, so month days. Any month can have 28 days. Who should not get emotional, Aditya? I should not get emotional or people should not get emotional. So any month can have 28 days. Oh, thank you, Aditya. Any month can have 28 days, 29 days, or 30 days, or 31 days. So if any month has 28 days, the number of odd days, 28 divided by 7, your remainder is 0. 29 divided by 7. 29 by 7, your remainder is 1. 30 divided by 7, your remainder is 2. 31 divided by 7, your remainder is 3. That's where any month, if it has 28 days, there will be remainders. It means that there will be 0 odd days. 29 divided by 7, it will be 1. 30 by 7, 2. 31 by 7. Did you understand story so far? So now I'm moving to another new part. Can I see reply from every player? Spectators, I don't expect because they are busy in spectating. Huh? Yeah. Awesome, Mercy. Okay, cool. Now, what we need to do, I'll come to this slide again later on. Whoever did not understand, whoever had missed a session, 2 slides I have to come, but that I'll come at the end. As of now, we are in the flow, so let's go. So now, if the date is given, pay attention. Like close your feast. How many days in which month? I don't know, Kumar. There is no trick. I feel that when I was young, after ABCD, after Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I learned months and then I learned how many days in each month. So the same question even Binay was asking Kumar. That's why I was taking his name and you got super emotional. Okay, so I'll take 26th December 2008. I took December, I'll take some other number, other year as of other month as of now. 26th March, I'll take. I'll come to December also. You don't have to be sorry, Kumar. I'm just saying that you don't need everything to remember and you don't need trick for everything. Some things are so fixed in our mind that we know that. Do you know 2 plus 2, how much it is equal to? Everyone knows it, right? 2 plus 2 is equal to what? Yay, everyone knows the answer. I'll clap for everyone. Yay, very good. So what I mean to say here is, okay, one more thing. Do you know a plus b whole square? Right, Emmanuel. Do you know a plus b whole square? What is that? Type it in short way. What is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So what I mean to say is that there are certain things which are so well fitted in your mind that even if somebody tells you trick, no, you will feel like it's okay, man. It's already in my system. Are you getting my point? I'm 100% sure that for 2 plus 2, you will not use calculator ever. If you are using a calculator, it means that you just want to prove something to yourself. I don't know what is that. All right. So what I mean to say, like I'm repeating, certain things are so well fitted in our system. So we don't even, it's like somebody wake us up at like 3 o'clock in the night, then too we would be able to answer a plus b whole square is what. Okay. So now coming to this 26th March 2008. So if it is given 2008, we need to take 2007. We will be taking one previous year. I repeat, we will be taking one previous year, and that you will understand why we are taking that. As of now, just understand this. If it is 2008, we will be taking 1 year previous to that. So if it is 19th January 1996, what I will take? 1995. Awesome. If it is 27th May 1864, what I will take? 1863. Awesome. One last one. If it is given, uh, 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 20, tell me a date. I'm not getting dates only. 22nd September 18, not 18, 2001 will come to that 2001. 1783. What date, what year I should take? 1782. Is that clear to everyone? Right? Okay. Now, another part. That's one step. Another step. Before 2007, I repeat, before 2007, which year was perfectly divisible by 400? Before 2007, which year was perfectly divisible by 400? 400. 400. Not 4, 400. Ayo, 400. So 2000. So I'll write 2000 plus 7. All right. Before 1995, it was 1600. So how this 1995 will be split up as 1600 plus 300 plus 95. How will this 1863 will split up? 1600 plus 200 plus 63. So now how the 1782 will split up? Before 17th century, which century was perfectly divisible by 400? Before 1782, which year was perfectly divisible by 400? 1600. So I'll take 1600 plus 100 plus 82. All right. So now if I write any date, 1964, 1 minute target. I'm saying which year is perfectly divisible by 400, not 4. 400. If it is century, we need to see 400. So how this 1964 will be split up? 1600 plus 300 plus 64. All of you understood? All right. How will this 2102 will split up? Can anyone guess? Very good, very good. 2000 plus 100 plus 2. Awesome, awesome. 300, no, where 300? Yeah, here I wrote 300. One last one. If it is given 1857, how will I write it as? How will it split up? Gracious, for which one you are saying that's the answer? Gracious, just check again. It is not 2 here, it is 1. So this will be 1600 plus 200 plus 57. Okay, fine. Now, why I'm doing this? Because every multiple of 400 will have how many odd days? Every multiple of 400 will have how many odd days? 400 years have how many odd days? 0. So no problem. So this there everywhere it will be 0, 0, 0. That's why we bring it to multiple of 400. Did you understand? And we do have 300, 200, 100 also. Fine. Fair enough. Is that clear? Now let's move to another step. So now if any question is given, 26th March 2008, I'll take as of now 2007. 26th March 2007. Sushmita, what is not clear? Splitting part is clear or not, Sushmita? Is splitting part clear? Yes or no? Sushmita, Sushmita, no. So before 1964, I will see which number was perfectly divisible by 400. So 1900, 1800, 1700, 1600. So 1600 was divisible. Then 1600 plus 300. Okay, 1 minute. I'll explain again. So Emmanuel and Sushmita, if any year is given like this, oh, what I can say, 1943. Remove this 43 and make it as 1900. Can I write it as 1900 plus 43? Yes or no? Hi, Shaheen. Right, Emmanuel? Emmanuel? Okay, I'm assuming it's clear. 1943 will be written as 1900 plus 43. And this 1900, before 1900, which year was perfectly divisible by 400? Which year was perfectly divisible by 400? 1600. So that's why this 1900 will split up as 1600 plus 300 plus 43 as it is. All right, Emmanuel. Had it been given 1872, so I'll write it as 1800 plus 72. Now this 1800 can be written as 1600 plus 200 plus 72. Had it been given 2131, so I'll write 2100 plus 31. Now this 2100 could be written as 2000 plus 100 plus 31. I hope that's clear now, Emmanuel and Sushmita. Can you confirm it quickly? Now I'm moving to very important part, people. Awesome. Emmanuel? Yeah, I'm coming to that. Like I was telling you, this you missed one part. What are we calculating? Kumbusa, I'm on the way. Trust me. Just give me 1 minute time and then I'll tell you why we are doing that. So Emmanuel, the thing is that if it is 2008, we will take 1 year before. If it is 1996, we'll take 95. If it is 1864, we will take 1863. I'll tell you why that also. So if, okay, you mean to say that here I wrote 26th March 2008 and but here I wrote 2007 because I changed the date. I changed the date from the previous slide. No confusion? Date combination. Okay. I'll come to that 2008 also. As 2008 was a leap year, that's why I took 2007 first. Nothing major. Fine, people. So 26th March 2007. So if it is 2007, oh my God, one simple thing you people put in such a way that as if like it became such a big doubt. No problem. Okay, 2007, what should I write? What should I write? 2006, awesome. Now, this is 2006. If you're writing 2006, it means that you have calculated up to 31st December of 2006. You have calculated up to 31st December of 2006. Now you're moving to January, February, and March. That's it. And in March also, you just have to go to 26th March. Now, people pay attention. 2006 will be split up as what? 2000 plus 6. That's clear. 2000 plus 6 plus January of 2007 plus February of 2007 plus March of 2007. Okay, that's why we write one previous year, because the current year we will be taking in month in the terms of months. Is that clear now? Kumboso? Got it? Now. 2000 will have how many odd days? 2000 will have how many odd days? 0 odd days. January will have how many days in a month? So 31 divided by 7, what will be the number of odd days? 3, right? So this is 3. February 2007 is non-leap year. So not a leap year. How many odd days? How many days? 28 days. 28 days, it means 0 odd days, right? Now, 1 minute, wait for March. March is, I don't have to go up to 31st March. Like here I'm going 31st January. Here I'm going 28th February. But here I just have to go up to 26th March. So I need to take 26 divided by 7. Are you getting my point? I just have to go up to 26. I don't have to be bothered about 27, 28, 29, 30, 31st March. I just have to be bothered about 26th March. So 26 divided by 7. 26 divided by 7, your remainder is 5. So you will get 5 odd days. Correct, because the date was given as 26th. Right, right, Funwell. So, Funwell, are you a sister of Flywell? There is one girl in our group, Flywell. So I thought maybe Funwell, Flywell, sister. In India, you know, they keep name like this. Like my sister name is Meenal. So they do keep names of their kids like this, Meenal, Sonal. So that's why I thought Funwell. I hope you did not mind. My intention was not to make fun of your name, but yeah. And see, so my name is Sonal, right? So that's, I guess, I'm sorry. I hope you did not mind. Thank you, Funwell. I hope you don't have mind to mind. Like I don't have mind to mind. I do have mind, but not to mind. Okay, coming back to this. So had it been 5th March, I would have just write 5 here. Had it been 2nd March, I'll take 4th March, my husband's birthday. 4th March, not 2007 though, okay? So 4th March, so I will be just writing 4 here. Are you getting my point, people? Any date less than 7 will be just writing that itself. If it is 10th March, I would have written, okay, if it is 10th March, what would I have written here? Had it been 10th March, what would I have written? 3. Had it been 2nd March, what would I have written? 2. Somebody was meaning that any day below 7 is written as it is, right? Because that's the remainder, Gracious. So yeah, so we will be writing 2 as it is. Had it been 12th March, then 12th March, divide by 5. So I hope you are clear on this. 12th March, we will be writing it as 5. Fine. Now, people, if it is January, February, you know, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, all of you know this, right? July, August, September, October, November, December. If anyone doesn't know, please go through the paper, calendar and learn it. 1 minute, Sushmita, I'll explain. How 12 is 5? 12 divided by 7, Sushmita. Sushmita, 12 divided by 7, Sushmita. Okay, so January has 31 days. Every year, every month which has 31 days, you will get 3. February, your number of odd days will be 0 or 1. March will be 3. April will be 2. May will be 3. June will be 2. July will be 3. August will be 3. September will be 2. October will be 3. November will be 2. December will be 3. That's standard one. All right, so you just have to pay 3 1 3 2 3 2 3 3 2 3 2 3 like this. I missed something in my singing, but that's okay. No problem, Jennifer. Are you back now? July, August 31. That's why I have taken 3 3 here. Okay. So this is very simple, people. If you understood the way right, now going through any question, I just have to do 3 2 3 3 3 2 3, something like this. That's it. Fine. Now, only one thing which you need to do in this type of question. I'll take one more question after this, and then we'll solve one more question, and then you will solve one more question. So 2 questions will solve together apart from this, and then 4th question, you will solve it by yourself. All right. Now, this is the only part which I need to solve. In 6 years, how many odd days will be there? What do you think? In 6 years, how many odd days will be there? Ashok, what is this smiley? I always understand it as like, I understand it as like leaf. So 6 plus, how many leap years will be there from 1 to 6? In 6 years, how many leap years will be there? 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. Divide by 7. What is your remainder? 0. Finally, this is giving you a 0. All right. Fine so far. Now, what you need to do? 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 7. Finally, final number divide by 7. You are getting 1. If it is 1, your answer will be Monday. If it is 0, it is Sunday. If it is 2, it is Tuesday. If it is 3, it is Wednesday. 4, it is Friday. Ayyo, sorry, Thursday. 5, it is Friday. And 6, it is Saturday. We'll solve one more question where it will get crystal clear. Did you understand a little bit? Joey, hi Joey. Today you're not on YouTube, fine. So Joey, why I added 6 plus 1? This 6 as it is. Now 1 to 6, how many leap years will be there? 1 leap year, right? So that's why I'll add 1 to it because of number of leap years. So 6 plus 1, 7. Fine. We'll see one more question. Do you want to cross-check this? You can cross-check it in your mobile. 1st October 2001, we will solve. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, October, right? Fine, Aditya, we will solve that. Is it your birthday, Aditya? Have you born on this day? Let's calculate. Now everyone is getting emotional. Let's calculate my birthday. Let's calculate my birthday. And I will check whether you are proving us right or wrong, because we know on which day we born, but you don't know, right? So from your method, we will see whether your method is correct or not. Something like this. Okay, no problem. Fine. So let's take one date. As of now, we'll take 1st October because I need some months at the end. So is it 1st October 2001, right, Aditya? Fine, we'll take that. Okay. All right, so let's move on to the next one. 1st October 2001. All right, so before 2001, what year I should take? What happened after in 2000? Then do I have anything here? Directly I'm moving to what? Directly I'm moving to 2001 year after this. So it will be 2000 plus January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. That's it. Did you understand so far? Is the story clear so far? Right? Now 2000 will have how many odd days? 0 odd days. January. What should I write here? January. 3 odd days. Awesome. February. Is 2001 a leap year? No. So 0 odd days. Awesome. May. What should I write for May? 3. Okay. What for April? 2. What for May? Oh, this is March. Sorry. This is March. I got confused. We are in May, so I thought May. Sorry. Okay. For May. 3. For June. This is June. 2. For July. 3. For August. 3. For September. 2. For October. Come on, don't get emotional. Come on, relax. It's 1st October. What should I write? 1. That's it. People, you got emotional. Oh, we know what she's asking. Come on, you just start and we will fire. Something like that, right? And everybody got emotional. Only few people paid attention. Ayyo Rama Swami. So it is 1. Done so far? Is it Monday? We will see Sivani. All right. Now, 2 things you can do. Either add all. Listen to this. Either add all and divide by 7, or one more easy thing which I do is I cancel 7. So I 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, finally 8, divide by 7. Your remainder is 1. So yeah, it is Monday. So Aditya, do you know which day you were born? And is it matching? Matching? I'll repeat, Rehan, 1 minute. Let me get confirmation from, okay, it's matching. All right, Rehan, what do you want me to repeat? October 1 or 3? It was 1st October, Kumar. I hope so. Why you have cancelled? Why have you cancelled? Any 7 to cancel. Okay, that's 7. See, one thing is I can add all 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Fair enough. No, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. When I'll add all, so what I'll get 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 3, 16 plus 3, 19 plus 2, 21 plus 1, 22, divide by 7. I'll get the same answer, right? This is one way. Another way, I'll remove, anyway, I'm cancelling it with 7, right? So I'm omitting 7. So whenever I get addition part as 7, like 2, 2, 3, I'll cancel it. I will not add it. What happened? Something happened. 1 minute. Huh? Here only. Okay. Simple. 1 minute. I'll come to that. 19 October also will take. Why? 1 minute, Shahin. I'll explain. So one question at a time. So this combination is giving me 7. So I'll ignore it. 2 plus 3 plus 2, I'll ignore it. When you see this combination is also giving me 7, so I'll ignore it. Like it doesn't exist for me. And then I'll add the remaining number. Fine. I hope that's clear now. Whoever had this doubt, Rehan, this is confusing. I born in 23rd October. 1 minute, Hikka Johns. We will solve that. Relax. Relax. Okay. All right. So you just have to take which year before 2000, which year it was, 1999. We'll solve that also. Your confusion I'll clear. But you know what will happen? Everybody will get emotional. Oh, no, 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 please take my date of birth. No, please, 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 mine, 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 mine. Okay, one more thing here is 19th October. So one more example I'll take. Have some patience, gracious. Trust me, I'll come to that. Okay, so who was that? RK. RK, if you take 19th October here instead of 1st October, what number you need to take here? Tell me. 19 divided by 7. You will be taking 5, isn't it? Yeah, I'll solve on the other side with blue color pen. This chat window is really very irritating at times. It doesn't move and keep on getting into expansive size, expandable size. Okay, so it is 19th October, same year, 2001, if I'll take. So it is 2000 plus Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So 2000 will be 0, January will be 3. Somebody asked why February is 0. So I forgot the name. But why February is 0? Because who is that? Who was that? I'm not getting that chat. I'm sorry. So I don't know who asked. Shaheen, right? Shaheen, why? Because February 2001. See, till 2000. Now we are on 2001 January. So 2001 February is not a leap year. It means that it will have 28 days. 28 divided by 7. Your remainder will be 0. That's why we are taking 0. Have you joined class late, Shaheen? Was that the case? Have you joined late or you were here since the beginning? Oh, you were late, right? That's why you did not understand. Go through the video, go through the slides, you will understand. So March will be 3, April will be 2, May will be 3. No, 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 no. Yeah, May will be 3. And what will be this? Yes, Kumar Sandeep, that's correct. June will be 2, July will be 3, August will be 3, September will be 2, and October. I need to take 19th October. So what should I write here, people? Yes. How about others? What should I write at the place of October? RK. 19th October. So I just have to divide 19 by 7. 19 by 7, your remainder is 5. So I'll write it as 5. Now again, I'll look for the combination of 7, 5 to 7 gone case, 2 to 3 gone case. Now I left with 3, 3, 3, 3. I'm getting 12 divided by 7. Your remainder is 5. So it means that it is what day? What day? 5 is what day? Friday. 0, 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, and so on. Yeah, 5 is Friday. So Arkit, for your answer, for your question, answer is Friday. Fine. All right, Rahul. Somebody had some confusion. Hikka Jonas. What was your date? We'll solve that because that might be confusion for others also. I have to really look for the chat because there are like so many replies. If it would be great. 23rd October 2000 people. Fine. Let's solve this one, people. Let's solve this one. 23rd October 2000. Let's solve this one. Do you know on which day you were born, Hikka? Do you know? People, let's solve together one more question and then you solve one question. 1 minute, Sandeep. Control your emotion. No, you don't know. Ayyo Ramaswamy. 23 October 2000. Then how we will verify it? We have to use Google for that. 23 October 2000. Yesterday night, not yesterday night, maybe day before yesterday night, or maybe yesterday only. I don't know what I got. I was calculating all these questions in my mind and was checking on which day my sister was born, on which day my sister-in-law was born, on which day my other sister-in-law was born, on which day my nephew was born. I was doing time pass, you know. Yeah, everyone born in October month, coincidentally. Okay, 23 October 2000. Now this is interesting. So before 2000, which year I should take? 1999. All right. Then I'll come to January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. All right. And this 1999 will be split up as what? 1900 plus 99, and 1900 will be written as what? How should I split this up? How should I split it up? Come on, everybody. Oh, something happened to my network. Thank you. Nothing happened. Yeah, 1600 plus 300. All right. This is little different one. So let's look at this. Here we will take trip 1999. This is 1900 plus 99. And hence we will write it as 1600 plus 300 plus 99. Now 1600 will have how many odd days? 1600 will have how many odd days? Come on, people, fire. 0. All right, no problem. 300 will have how many odd days? 1. This 99, I'll calculate later. Let's talk about January. Whatever easy things we know, let's do that first. So January will be 3. Now February, very good, Raj. February will be 1 because year 2000 was a leap year. If it was leap year, it means that it will have 29 days. If it has 29 days, it means 1 is the remainder. Focus. Like just analyze it once again. Got it right? 1. All of you understood why 1? Because 2000, year 2000 was a leap year and 29. So hence it is 1. March, what should I write for March? What should I write for March? 3. All right. April. This is 3. April will be 2. May will be 3 again. June, this is July. June 2. July 3. April, August, sorry, 3. September 2. October, 23. So what should I write? 23 divided by 7. 2 is the remainder. 23 divided by 7. 2 is the remainder, right, Subhash? So 7, 3, 21. 2 is the remainder. So finally, you will write 2 as the remainder. So this part is done. Now this part we need to solve. This is the only one part which you need to solve. 99. 99. So from 1 to 99, 99. From 99 or up to 99, how many years were leap year? How many years were leap year? Awesome, Michelle. Right, 24. So 99 plus 24 will give you 123. So what should I write finally? 4 odd days or 3 odd days? Yeah, 4 odd days, correct. It will be 4 odd days. 7, 1, 7, 53, 7, 7, 49. Yes, it is 4 odd days. So you will get 4 odd days. Got it so far? Did you understand the story so far, everyone? Yeah. Now I'll cancel wherever I get the combination of 7, I'll cancel. 4, 3, 7 cancel. 2, 2, 3 cancel. 3, 3, 1 I cancelled. 2, 2, 3 I cancelled. I left with 1. So it was Monday. Yay. Anybody wants to cross check it? I'll cross check it on Google. 23 October 2000. Because he doesn't know. 2000. Day of the week. Monday. It's right. All right, Hikka, you got to know which day you were born. So how do you get the leap years? Leap years has to be multiple of 4, Hikka. So here I need to see. Till here, I was in year 1999. From January onwards, I'm moving to the current year. So January 2000, February 2000. Is 2000 divisible by 4? So yeah, that's a leap year. Leap year comes once in every 4 years. Got it? Okay, people, I hope it's clear. So calendar story is clear. 300 divisible by 4. So can I get 1? No, Joey. When we see this part, right? When we see this part, this here we are taking century. But when we talk about this, we are into year now. Go ahead with little common sense part. Okay, Joey. When you're talking about 100 centuries, that has to be 400. That's why I just want you to understand this part, that if it is 200 years, there will be 3 odd days. If it is 300 years, there will be 1. If it is 400, 0. I'll better tell you that learn it. It's good to remember this. Now, somebody was saying Alex Purification was saying did not understand the calculation part. Alex, what I'm doing is I'm just canceling the 7 summation of 7. So you see, this combination is giving me 7. So I cancelled it. You see, this combination is giving me 7. So I cancelled it. You see, this combination is giving me 7. So I cancelled it. Right. You just add all and divide by 7. And one more thing which I used was color got over. This one, this one, this one. I cancelled it because all are giving you divide by 7. No, ma'am, cancellation part. This is what I'm cancelling, Alex. If the remainder is 0, in that case, your answer is Sunday. Right, Rehan. So are we good or you want to solve one question more? One more, and that would be the last one. Okay, 1 minute. Answer this question. Answer this question. If 23 October 2000 was Monday, 23 October 2001 was which day? Same. Year is getting changed, Sandeep. What's the answer, people? "2001, Raj, we are moving ahead. So your answer will be Tuesday. 1 year. Haven't you people done this? Like I remember it so well when I was a kiddo. Every year this was my whenever my birthday used to come, I was like, oh, this year my birthday came on Wednesday. Next year it will come on Thursday. And I was so dumb kid. I used to do it every year because that was fun for me. Simple, just add 1 to it. Monday, Tuesday. And had the question been given, if 23 October 2000 was Monday, then 23 October 1999 was which day? Can you answer this? Anybody else? Right, Sivani. Okay, Alex, if remainder is 1, we consider it as Monday. If it is 2, we consider it as Tuesday. That's the system we are following. Right? So majority of you are saying Sunday, only one person said Saturday, and yes, answer is Saturday. Why? Because you see, 2000 was Monday and 2000 is a leap year. It means that you got 1 day extra. So think about it. If 1999, 23rd October 1999 was Saturday, then 2000, year 2000 will be which day? So you need to take 1 day extra because of leap year. This leap year is giving you trouble here. So hence your answer will be skipping Saturday, Sunday, it will be Monday. Did you get my point, people? We consider it starts from Sunday. So Sunday will be 0. All right, Alex. Okay, one more. Let's do one more. If, 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 what day is that today? If 8th May 2021 is whatever Saturday, then 2025 will be which day? Same, 8th May 2025 will be which day? Hi, Radhukunda Eric, long time. Hope your preparation is coming along well. Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, don't tell me like and everybody is like, oh, you reply Wednesday, I'll reply Thursday. Somebody replied Tuesday also. Okay, so I got 3 answers for 1 day. Thursday. Okay, I'll wait. Wednesday. Nobody saying 1 day. Good. Okay. 2021 was Saturday, which means that 2022 will be Sunday. 23 will be Monday. Now 24 is a leap year. So Tuesday will skip because of leap year. So 24 will be Wednesday and 25 will be Thursday. So yes, your answer is Thursday. Right. Sushmita, 2021 was Saturday. So because of that 365 days, you remember we get 1 day extra, right? At the end. At the end, we are getting 1 as the remainder, right? So this 1 day is shifting every week by 1 day. This 1 day extra is shifting week by every 1 day. So like Saturday will become Sunday, Sunday will become Monday. And that's how we come back to the next one. Okay, before this, let me go to one question, which I discussed in the previous class. Like, which year will have same calendar as 2021? After 2021, which year will have same calendar as 2021? So 2022 will give you one extra day, 23 will give you one extra day, 24 will give you, I'll repeat 1 minute, I'm coming to that. 24 will give you 2 extra days, 25 will give you 1 extra day. If I talk about, let's say, today's date, what is today's date? Today is 8th May 2021. 8th May 2021 is what day? It's Saturday. So now date is same, everywhere date is same, okay? This is Saturday, so this will be Sunday, this will be Monday. Now 24, Tuesday will skip because Rehan, 1 day extra you got, so it will shift by 2 days. So on 8th May 2024, it will be Wednesday, and 25 will be Thursday, 26 will be Thursday, and 26 will be Friday. On 27, it will be Saturday again. On year 27, it is Saturday again. All right. So 2021, after 2021, 2027 will have same day or like same calendar. One only, Sandeep. It will be one. That's it. Lakshmi, simple one, no? In case of leap year, you are getting 1 day extra, because in leap year you will be getting 2 days at the end. So every cycle will shift by 1 more day. Lakshmi, because of leap year, you just skip 1 day. Ignore it. It didn't come like that way. Because of 29 February, he had taken that day. Also in 2032. Sagar, I did not understand your question. Oh, after 27, you are saying, yeah, of course. All right, so how we calculated this? 2022 1, 23 1, 24 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So wherever it is giving you remainder 0, that is 7. Here you are getting remainder 0. It means that 27 will have same day. All right. Fine. So where was I? This question, right? This question. I hope you understood now. All of you got it? Just shift by 1 day. Okay, let's move to the last question of calendar. You people got so interested in this topic, isn't it? Any trick to convert BS to AD? What is this? I don't know BS to AD, Sandeep. Fine, one last question. So 19th will take the last month. 19th December, BS is Nepali date. People don't get emotional again. Who asked me this question? Who was this? Who asked me this question? Sandeep, control your emotion. All right. So that way, even in, see people, you are, oh my God. So I think 13th March, you people were wishing each other on WhatsApp, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. And there were few people from other countries who got, hey, it is your favorite. Is it a new year? What are you talking? Right? So don't get emotional all about that. Even like there is Hindu Samvatsar. What I mean to say that we do have, and we are like in some forward thing. We are not into 2021. We are much forward, but nobody talks about that. Okay. Fine, Sushmita. It was 14 April. So control your emotion, Shashmita. Control your emotion. Why you people are so about this? It's okay. Let me control my emotion now. 19th December, tell me which year I should take. You tell me. Year I will take. Ayyo Ramaswamy. Now see, everybody is getting emotional. My new year, your new year. What your new year only? Ah, my new year also. No, I'm not taking that, Rehan. Let's be realistic. 1994. So you want to take 2020. 19th December 2020. Okay, let's take 2020. Fine. Now you solve, I'm not solving. Don't go on calendar and tell me the answer, okay? Let's not take 2020. Let's take 1994. I've taken the random number. Go for it. Try. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I want to take it as 1996 because of leap year. Now try. Go for it and make sure this is last question. Everybody is getting the same answer. Is Kamlesh Yadav there in the meeting today? Kamlesh, are you there? Hey, Ronnie. You have stopped replying, Ronnie, right? And Tasnia, you also stopped replying. Kumbuso, I hope you are understanding. Kamlesh Yadav is there. Okay. Tasnia, you replied. Awesome. Nice, Ashok. Saturday. If you are getting the answer so quickly, it means that you have used Google. Alexa, tell on which day, what was the day on 19th December 1996? Alexa, tell Alexa, Alexa. No, Alexa, tell Alexa. Alex will not tell. No, I was telling Alexa. Was it Saturday or Tuesday? 1996, it means that I will be taking 1995, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I think it was Tuesday. Let's check. 1995. How will I split up as? Yes, 1600 plus 300 plus 95. So whatever is easy thing, I'll write 0, 1. This 95 I'll solve little later. January will be 3. February 96 was a leap year, so 0 again. Correct, Aditya. I think it was Tuesday. 0 and May is, this is not May, this is March. 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. And 19th, so that's why, Alex, we don't have to divide 95 directly by 4. 19th divide by 4, your remainder is 5. So now this 95 will be solved as 95 plus number of leap years. How many will be leap years? 22, 23. 23 will be leap years. From 1 to 1995, from 1901 to 1995, there will be 23 leap years. So when you add this, you will get 118. 118 divided by 7, 717, 48. 48 only, right? 7, 6, 42. Yeah, 6 is the remainder. No problem, Aditya. So this is 6. Now 6 plus 1, 7, cancelled. 2 plus 2 plus 3, 7. cancelled. 5 plus 2, 7, cancelled. February has 29 days. Oh yeah, correct. February will have 29 days. So this is 1 is the remainder. Okay, let me see. Sushmita, number of leap years from 1 to 95. That's what we are doing. 95 plus 23, number of leap years. Now this will also get cancelled. 3 plus 3 plus 1, 7. What else is getting cancelled? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 divided by 4, 7. Your remainder is 4. Hence the answer is Thursday. Yes, answer is Thursday, people. Let's check quickly. I think so. What it is, 19th December, 19 December 1996, day of the week. It's Thursday. Okay. Saturday, 58. Okay. Rehan, before 95, which year was divisible by 4? Or else do one thing, 95 divide by 4. Now, why I'm not saying 95 divide by 4? Because, okay, one more thing which you can do is to calculate leap year. Divide it by 4 and focus on quotient, not on remainder. So here I want you to use little common sense. So 95 divided by 4, you will get 23. 4 to 8, 115, 4, 30, 12. So 23. So that's how I'm writing 23. So if you are dividing by 4, we need to focus on quotient. And where we will divide it by 4 to get number of leap year. If we are dividing by 7, we need to focus on remainder. Okay. So right, Aditya. But the thing is that I don't say this because that's where the confusion arises that, oh, we have to use remainder or we have to use quotient. So people should not do reverse. So that's why I try to make them think logically here. How 5 on December? 19th, gracious. It's 19th December. So I just have to go up to 19. So 19 divided by 7. 7 to 14, 5 is the remainder. All right, people. I hope it's clear. Yes or no. After this, don't ask one more question because we are not doing it. Okay, we are not doing any question on calendar. It's just like you people got little emotional with this topic. Crystal clear, awesome, Surjo. Clear, Mercy, nice. Okay, so now the sad part is, yeah, we have just learned it for the learning purpose. Like I told you earlier also, this is not a part in your syllabus, but we just learned it. All right, and we learned it in very deep, but that's okay. We learned something different, something new. Got it? Okay. Okay, so there was one question related to installments. All right. So there was one student, Bruno, he had messaged me. I would like to tell you the formula and I would like to tell you that question also. I forward that question. What was that question? 2 years, 12% per annum, 1092 was due amount, something like that. Okay, if you give me a minute, I'll quickly look at the question and I'll discuss it right away. So where is that? Group media. For me, this is new topic and interesting too. Okay, it was new for everybody, Dipesh. Dipesh, and for you also had a question, right? What was that? Your question was, yeah, I got the question. Equation, yeah, I remember. I'll discuss that also. So here was the question, people. I'll write up the question quickly because what amount, Rahul Yadav, are you there? What amount payment will discharge a debt of rupees 1092 due? Yes, Sandeep. What we will talk about that 1092 due in 2 years at 12% simple interest. Okay, this is the question, people. We will share the link. We will do something about it. So relax as of now. I need to speak to Ashish about this. What is the scenario? When I'm not sure. Okay. What amount payment will discharge a debt of rupees 1092 due in 2 years at 12% simple interest? So there is a formula. Use this formula whenever it is amount payment will discharge. This is like kind of installment question. How much installment is one person paying? So installment question, use this formula 100A upon 100N plus R into N minus 1 into N upon 2. I don't know how this formula came. I have no idea about this because my method was giving me some different answer. So I'm still working on it. Number of years, and this is R is equal to rate. Okay, rate of interest. So use this formula. If it comes, go for it. If it doesn't come, wonderful. Nothing gone of our father or our neighbor also or our also. Fine. Have you noted it down? Yeah, because I'm still finding, I still couldn't get the proper solution yet. So yeah, I'm still working on it. And it's not the only one question in my life. So I do have other stuff also to take care. So some out of blue, I come to this question and I try and it's not working. So yeah, I'm just sharing one formula. There was one different question. I haven't seen this question earlier actually. One different question which I have seen that's so simple to solve by the trick which I was using, and I was trying to apply the same trick here, but it was not working. So yeah, that's it, people. So this is done. Now, so all the installment question you can do on this, but I hardly doubt that any question on installment will come. But if it comes, you have solution now. Okay. Is there anything else remaining? So Dipesh question was parallel lines and perpendicular lines, right? Yeah, Dipesh. So parallel lines and perpendicular lines are different. What we were discussing in equation was when two equations are given, which is nothing but the equation of a line. When because what is equation of a line? I'm going a little bit off topic. Equation of line, if you remember, it is y is equal to mx plus c. I hope you remember this. Those who don't remember, those who don't know, it's okay. Anybody knows about it? yes, right? Okay. Ask me, it's okay. You can ignore it. Okay. So if any equation is given to us, 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. And if another equation is given to us as 4x plus 6y is equal to 9, right? So what we were doing, oh my God, Lakshmi Maurya, we need to know two equation. Fine, I'm coming to this. What we were doing, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, then it is what? Parallel lines. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. So you see this is 2 by 4 and this is 3 by 6. So 1 by 2 and this is also 1 by 2. Therefore, these are parallel lines. Fine. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then this will give you unique solution. They are intersecting line. They are intersecting. Where they are intersecting, that will be your solution. This is the point they are giving. So X and Y, they are intersecting. Parallel lines never intersect. Parallel lines never intersect. That's why they never give you any solution. And another part was if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then infinite solution, like they can intersect any times. Infinite solution. All right, Dipesh. Now, if I go back with this, y is equal to mx plus c. If two equations are there, y is equal to m1 plus m1 into x plus c and y is equal to m2 x plus c. If m1 is equal to m2, then your answer will be what? Then your lines are parallel lines. Right? So let's look at this. Two lines we have taken, right? 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Bring it into this form. How we will bring it? 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 8 or y is equal to minus 2 by 3x plus 8. So here you are getting minus 2 by 3. Correct, Binay. And another line was 4x plus 6y is equal to 9. 4x plus 6y is equal to 9. So 6y is equal to minus 4x plus 9. Y is equal to minus 4 by 6, x plus 9 by 6. So 9 by 6 also should come. So here this is your M2. So M1 is equal to M2 minus 2 by 3. Right? So these are parallel lines. Perpendicular lines, M1 into M2 should be equal to minus 1 for perpendicular lines. All right. But in aptitude, this is not a part. Whatever I did, y is equal to mx plus c, this is not a part of your syllabus. This is not a part of aptitude questions. For intersecting lines, any two lines, if they are not parallel, they will intersect. This is the one. Fine, Raj. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then this is unique solution intersecting lines. These two lines will intersect. Same coefficient. No, it should not be same coefficient, Michelle. Otherwise, it would be parallel lines. Different. M1 should be not equal to M2, then I can say that way. For intersecting line, M1 should not be equal to M2. And M1, M2 also should not be equal to minus 1. Perpendicular lines are also intersecting lines actually. Perpendicular lines is nothing but intersecting. These are intersecting here. Okay, there was coincide line and circle too. Yeah, Dipesh, I really forgot all those things. So ignore that. That all not in the syllabus. All right. I am also gonna Google it. You can also Google it. But I say that don't get into, see, again, I tell you, trust your instincts. Trust what you know. People in, we will do that. We will do that. We will solve the topic. And what I wanted to say, people, that you will find many people who are gonna distract you. All right. Like, I don't know, it was Kamlesh or somebody else. Some question he had put in the group of Lambda or something, where the question was related to Lambda. I read the question, but I only got scared. Now the thing is, I'm not saying that his intentions are bad. He might be literally looking for the solution of that particular question. But what I mean to say here, that that type of question will not be a part of it. All right. Don't worry about all those type of questions. Fine. All right. So when will crash course will start? So we are starting it from Monday. Okay. Let me know which topic you want to do first. Which topic should we start with? So we are gonna discuss each and every topic, people. Okay. Just joined only 4 classes, include today's class. So about revision class, percentage, average, revision class, will it be from very beginning to last, or there will be just discussing the problem? So the idea, Rehan, is that I would be discussing the topics, and before topics, I would be giving a revision of quickly how to solve the questions that we are gonna do. Okay. So I will say that like start attending it, and we will be taking all the topics, percentage, average. Algebra is my last preference, Raj. Algebra, okay, everything comes into algebra. Percentage, average, profit and loss, or gain. Take every topic name. So we will be doing it. So don't worry. We will get time, enough time. But maybe like earlier, we used to solve more number of questions. This time, instead of going for two classes in one class, we will be winding up the sessions. And then later on, we will go for full length tests. Full length, like all the topics together, and then discuss the questions on that. That was my idea for this part also, but other things came up. You people got so many, you people wanted classes on so many things. So we were like, okay, fine, if you want class on this, then that's how we have adjusted. So we did not get time to discuss like all together many topics, all this. So yeah, we will try to inculcate in all these classes. Fine. Anyone else has any other question? No question? Great combination. So yeah, we will be doing all this: averages, percentage, profit and loss, time and work, time, speed, distance. These are like very, very, very important topic. Any aptitude exam, these 4 topics, you can expect maximum number of questions. Percentages, profit and loss, time, speed, distance, time and work. Good topics. 4 topics, the most important one. And then there will be averages, there will be mixture and delegation, there will be ratios, everything will be there. Then comes everything. All right, fine, people. So it's when I entered ID and password, it always show wrong ID and password, but I entered. Change the password. Okay. Right, these are like small thing. You can do it. Yes, ma'am. I think you should give a glance again to all the important topics. Shushmita, you should attend also, or you are going through recordings, right? That's good. Fine. Anybody else has any other question? Okay, I'm little scared about the exam as I joined the class at very end. Don't worry, Rehan. Remove the negative thoughts first, because negative thoughts are the main obstacle for us. So whenever you are moving into a new phase, start positive. All right. Don't bring any negative thoughts. That's to everyone, whoever joined now or later or earlier. You know that I keep on saying this. Exam update, I don't know, Lakshmi, because I'm not a part of SII team. Had I been a part of SII team, It would have been wonderful. Okay. All right. Logical and verbal class also start. Yeah. Logical, we will verbal definitely 2 days in a week would be there would be verbal class. Don't worry. So that's the idea. Oh my God. Please give this question in the group. Dipesh, you are part of the group, right? Ashok Kumar Mehta, that's a question mark to us. That's a question mark to the lives of the people on India right now. That's the situation. Okay. So Dipesh, send this question in the group or send this question to me on WhatsApp. I'll solve it and I'll get back. Okay. I thought that you people have done this type of question in Kostov's class. But yeah, that's okay. Maybe 1 month, Ashok. All right. So you never know. Fine, people. Yeah, send in the group so that she can see it. Dipesh, send it in a group, WhatsApp group and Telegram group, both the groups you send. And then let people solve it first, then we'll solve. All right, people, then I'm leaving class 8 minutes early today. That's okay. I love you too, Mercy. Take care. And we'll catch up on Monday then. Oh my God, thank you so much. You too. Enjoy your evening, Nelius. I hope all are well. Okay. Join me in WhatsApp group. So 1 minute, Funwell, you need to send me an email. My email ID is doubts number 4 sonal@gmail.com. So Funwell, send me an email on this and I'll send the link to you for Telegram group. Okay. All right. So thank you, Tapia. Thank you, Afreen. Love you too. Okay. Take care, people. So here is the Ashok Kumar who had sent the link. So I did not understand, Jennifer. What did you say? You have made me understand on Thursday. I missed. Okay, you are talking about that question which you sent to me, and I replied to that. Yeah, others can leave. Those who want to leave can leave. I also leave. Oh, you missed class. Okay, okay, that way. Fine, fine. Thursday was verbal class, I guess. Wednesday you missed. No problem. Okay, so take care. You understood. That's the important part. Okay, thank you, Rehan. You have to take care. All right, Afrin, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. And I will not die so soon also. Don't worry. So people take care. We'll catch up on Monday. Bye-bye. Ata bata gata tata. Sushmita. Bye, Sivani.